My name's Taylor Hinther. I'm the Geomatics Manager at Axiom Group in the Geophysics and Remote Sensing Division. I've been working at Axiom for 3 years. LiDAR stands for Light Detection and Ranging, which is pulses of light emitted from the drone LiDAR that bounce off the ground and are measured time of flight back to the sensor, which allows it to map an area in extremely high point density from top of vegetation all the way down to bare earth, even if there is vegetation in between.
My name is Jonathan Lafreniere, and I'm the Geophysics and Remote Sensing Manager at Axiom Group. I've been with the company for about 4 years now. The UAV magnetic surveys take the principles of traditional airborne surveying and apply it using the drones. This gives us tighter line spacing, a lower flight height, and overall a higher resolution data set for the final product to assist with mineral exploration through structural mapping and mapping of key geologic features. So a lot of the challenges that we face are access in really difficult conditions. We fly a lot of our surveys within areas of northern Saskatchewan and northern Canada where things can be quite remote. We've got a lot of terrain that can be extremely variable and it's sometimes very rugged. This allows us to get in without a lot of boots on the ground. A ground crew is going to take a lot of time to cover a similar area. They're going to have to avoid obstacles. You know, their data line paths are going to be they'll meander a little bit in that way. With the UAVs, we can fly very straight lines. We can fly at a consistent height, a consistent interval. Our ability to collect data is a lot more precise and accurate than what you would get on the ground.
The biggest advantage of using LiDAR over, say, photogrammetry or traditional GPS surveys is your point density. Traditional surveys are going to be points every 10-meter grid is pretty detailed for a GPS survey, whereas LiDAR we're looking at upwards of 100 points per square meter, and you're also going to get lots of measurements of the foliage, your height of vegetation, as well as the ground measurements, where photogrammetry is only going to see that top of vegetation unless you have bare earth exposed. Drone LiDAR works for smaller areas. You're looking at multiple quarter sections up to maybe 10 sections is kind of the cutoff before switching to heli LiDAR.
If you would like to find out more or schedule a survey, contact us at axiomex.com.